What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to get around a Steam ban and play the game that you want. So if you got banned from Steam, all you have to do is just log out or sign off of your account, your banned account, and just create a new one or sign in with another account if you do have it, and head to the game you want to play and then simply click on request play. That way you'll be able to play the game on your new account if you sign with it in your Steam client, as I have opened right here. However, make sure you are on your same computer, your same PC that you had your old account with. So that's simply how you get around a Steam ban if you got banned. Just as I told you, go to the top corner on the right here where it says your name account, click on it, and then click sign out of your account. And once you're signed out, head in again, sign in again with another account or create a new one and just continue playing.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.